Hi, my name is Devanshu, and in this video I am going to cover one Instagram tool that will tell you what hashtags you should not be using in your Instagram post. So there are a few hashtags which have been banned by Instagram, and at times Instagram keep on updating this list of the hashtags which have been banned by it. So you should not be using. If you use these hashtags, then eventually your profile may get banned. Initially you will get your limit, your reach will be decreased initially, but later on, if you keep on repeating this, you are also likely to get banned. So let us check out first what are these specifically banned hashtags are. So when I search for any hashtags over here, let's say if I search for this basic hashtag, which is beauty. So if I search for beauty, there are 376 million posts over there, and here you can find out there are a lot of there are basically two sections. One is top. So these are top posts for this hashtags, and these are recent one. So these people have recently used this hashtag in their posts, and there you can find out related hashtags. So this is the case with any normal hashtag. So if you find them out, this is how you are likely to find them. Let us find some more hashtags. So let's say if I this time search for beauty blogger. If I search for this hashtag, let's see what are the results. Okay, so there is a spelling mistake. Let me correct it. BEAUTY is missing. Okay, so there are 18.1 million posts, and there you can see there is a message from Instagram which says the recent posts from these hashtags are currently hidden because the community has reported some content that may not meet Instagram community's guidelines. So what does it mean? It means that there are a lot of spammers, there are a lot of bots, they use these hashtags. So Instagram has banned this hashtag. Let us try to search for a few more hashtags. If I search for this, again you will see that this hashtag has also been banned. And if you keep on using these hashtags, then your account is likely to get less reach. Let's say if I search for a Snapchat, even this hashtag has been banned by Instagram. So let us check out this tool. So you have to click over here, just click over banned hashtag. You are not supposed to sign up to use this tool. Once you log into this tool, you have to put your hashtags. So I will be entering mixed hashtags here. Let's say hello. You can put comma, you can put up to 30 hashtags. One of the challenges in when you do it manually here in the app, you will have to enter each hashtag manually. But when we are using this website, this tool, you can paste up to 30 hashtags. So hello, let's say I enter this hashtag dating, alone, DM me, direct, let's say I Alaska. I'm just putting some random hashtags. So beauty, beauty blogger. So some of these hashtags we have already searched, so you will be able to relate how accurate is this tool. Beautiful blogger. Okay, I hope his spelling is correct. Then I can put cute, I can put snap, I can put pick of the day. Okay, I guess that's enough for the time being. Let's hit check. Let's check. So here you can see there are these correct hashtags. Hello Alaska, beauty, beautiful blogger is fine. that was a beauty blogger. Basically, if you try for beauty blogger, you will find that has been banned. Then there you can see list, Elon, dating, direct, DM me, snap. So these hashtags have been banned here. So whenever you plan to make a post live on Instagram, you can put these hashtags here. You can check them and you can simply copy the correct hashtag and paste them over here. So it is simple to use tool. This will help, this will ensure if you perform this check, this will ensure that your reach remain healthy, your account remain healthy over a period of time. So that's all about this tool. This is one of the interesting feature of this tool. Although you will find a couple of more feature, you can explore them, but this one was one of the most useful feature that I have found over this website. Rest. This video is a final video of Lockdown 3.0 series. So this is the 14th video. I really appreciate if you have watched all the videos in past, for all your cooperation, for all your feedback, suggestions, and your support to all these videos in this series. So thank you so much. And just in case if you are watching this video for the very first time, if you are watching this channel for the very first time, please hit subscribe. And even if you have not subscribed it, so please hit subscribe. You will get notifications on content that you will find useful. So I'll try to put more and more valuable content on this YouTube channel. So if you are watching this video over any other platform, you can simply search over YouTube Divyanshu Dubey and a digital marketing, and you are likely to find this channel. So thank you so much. You will find this logo as well. So thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. Bye bye.